So I'm going to do you a really quick tutorial on how to do a really cool training report for your committee reports, which are quite handy to have in your ongoing weekly check-ins with the committee too. So in the chapter section of your BNI Connect, you will pull off the report and you want to export without headers. And there we are. We will open that. That's just opening on my other screen, which I shall bring over when the computer's finished thinking about it. Okay. So here we have the raw data, which can be a real pain to look through. So select the whole everything in Excel and take stuff back up to the top. I did that by clicking on the first one, holding down the shift key and then clicking, didn't want to do that. I was taking myself to the bottom of the page. So by holding down the shift key, going to where I want to go to, and then clicking with the shift key held down. Then I'm going to go to the insert menu and I'm going to insert a pivot table. I'm going to do it in an existing worksheet and then just select that box there, click where I want to put it in this table. So there we are. So on the right hand side, you'll see what's appeared here is the fields that you can choose, and it will add it all up for you. It's so cool, this. So first name, so that'll give all the names of people in the chapter and it will sort it nice and alphabetical for you. You can say then what event type, and then if you take the event type and you put it also in the values box on the right, so we've got first name and event type in the left one, and the values name, in the values box, we've got a count of event. It's now added up. You can see that Artie's done 6 training and we can see exactly what trainings we've done. Now, the really cool bit is if you put in their event date. Right, so down in the bottom here, I'm going to get rid of quarters, I'm going to get rid of years, and I'm going to move event date up so it's above event type. And you can see now which months those trainings were in. So I know this is a March report. So I know by the time April comes around and hits that Artie will have lost 2 trainings. This will help you get one step ahead with people who have got trainings dropping off at the end of the next month. So there's a really cool way of preparing that. Then in order to print that, what I do is you go back down to the bottom again, holding down the shift key, go to page layout and set print area. If you now print that to a PDF, then it makes a really nice report. You either print it to a PDF or print it however you want. Makes it a really nice report, which we then email out to our training coordinator as well. Just makes it really handy to see what training people have done, when they've done them, and when they're dropping off. I hope that was very useful for you.